Okay, here is the next step, and I'm gonna sit. I'm gonna kind of straddle this thing. In fact, I'm gonna move the cap over. I'm gonna straddle this, and I'm just gonna kind of move my legs back and forth and try to break that caulking off of there and loosen this up at an angle. If you want, you can put your gloves on and do that. I'll get my gloves on here for you. Okay. I'm just going to use my leg and try to kick it off of there. See, I'm lifting up like that. Okay. Because I wasn't sure how much of that caulking I got on there. And if you have to do it any more than that, last thing you want to do is try to jerk this sucker off, because you could crack the toilet or something, or hurt your back or whatever. That's why you got to make sure you score that caulking pretty good. And I scored it. Okay, now I guess I'm going to let you watch this. I'm going to lift it off of there, and this thing is heavy, let me tell you. Very heavy. I've got my lumbar support on, and I've got to lift it up over those bolts. Remember, the bolts are up there, and then I've got to back it back a ways. Okay, I made sure the water is disconnected. I've got that disconnect. I got all the water out of the tank, all the water out of the bowl. I'm ready to now lift this off of here, aren't I? Well, did I eat my Wheaties this morning? No, I didn't. But I think I can still do it here. Okay, use your legs. Try not to lift fully with your back. We don't want you hurting your back now. So I'm going to try to keep it squatted here best I can. And back it up. And let it down just very gently like that. Ooh. Now, I can slide that out of the way further, and I brought myself a towel here. I've got to figure out strategically how to do this here, because I'm ultimately going to have to lay this down on its side, okay? Because that way I can clean off the bottom edge of the caulking, because I can't get down there, can I? So I've got to lower that down. The last thing I want to do is to have that crack. You know, that's the worst, my worst nightmare, is thinking that I'm going to crack a toilet one of these times, and then, you know, what would happen after that? What would I have to do? I'm not even sure where you get a one-piece toilet that matches this existing one like this. Okay, now I'm gonna tilt it over this way, I believe, and I can have my little floor mat over here. Okay, I guess that's my next step, huh? I guess I can do that. Let's back you up here. Okay, let's back you up about there. Okay, right like that. Stick with me here. Now I can lift with my legs. Back it up a little bit, like this. Okay, I think that's good, right like that. And now I can lower that. I've got to be careful with this. Last thing I want is for this to slip out of my hands or anything. It's still very heavy. Okay, just want to be careful with it. I got a little bit of water down in there, but that's all right. Okay. Oh man. Let this slip forward a little bit right there. I think. There. Okay. See, now I can scrape all this stuff off of here. That's all the caulking. That's all the caulking. And see, once I get the caulking off, see, I'll use a putty knife. And I'll be very careful along here, because I got to scrape all this stuff off. Okay, and to get down to there, I'm gonna have to lift this toilet back up. I'm gonna have to flip it around and carry it over here, and then swivel it down this way over to the right and get it. Okay, enough of that. Now I've got to look at this wax ring and see what I have to do with that. That's our next step. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.